Introduce highlight features or overview summary for maigevi 128GB Wi-Fi body camera, 3-in-1 police body-worn cams with audio-video recording. You can find wanted, shop from a wide selection of devices in different configurations for your needs, filter by specification type, brand and more. Highlight features or overview summary are include 3-in-1 body camera. Our body-mounted camera not only has video function, but also supports audio recording, photo taking, loop recording and infrared night modes. It can be applied to scenes such as law enforcement, security, guard, home, outdoor, travel, camping, cycling and more. There is the latest user manual and a video about how to use the body camera in the description. Please take a look. Real HD, 2K Bodycam with 4 infrared lamp. The Bodycam uses a high-quality optical glass lens with multi-layer coating technology, and built-in anti-shake to ensure that the photos and videos taken are stable and clear. Full 1960p sensor enables the camera to capture video with more than 1080p resolution and save it automatically, support Real 2K, HD video recording. 40 megapixels photo shooting and built 4 infrared lamps inside, is helpful to record clear footage in the dark clearly. Police Bodycam and easy app installation. Our mini body camera has the Wi-Fi function. You can scan the download QR code in the user manual to install the app, then turn on the Wi-Fi on both your phone and the body cams to match. After connected, users can obtain images and video resources captured by the device through the device's Wi-Fi network and perform certain processing to meet their scenario usage of resources, such as forensics sharing and more. 3 modes after connection to PC. There are 3 modes for connecting to a computer through a data cable with the body cameras with audio and video recording, memory. In this mode, video or photo files can be accessed and viewed. PC camera. In this mode, the body cam can be used as webcam or computer cameras. Video mode, only used for computer power supply to devices. Please use 2 amp or below charger to charge the body camera. And the next outstanding feature that recommend new products releases update all day YouTube channel will introduce is multifunctional and compact police body camera. The body camera with audio recording wearable also support loop recording and motion detection. When the SD card reaches the storage limit, the latest video will automatically overwrite the oldest video, ensuring that more important scenes can be recorded at any time. When motion detection is on, it will automatically record once a moving object is detected. Additionally, if you want to get full highlight features and or full reviews, please visit the link in YouTube description. In addition, you can press to subscribe, press the bell and select all to get instant notifications of all future uploads.